Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm back with another cooking video. Stay tuned if you want to see how I made this easy homemade lasagna. So today I'll be making lasagna. I got 16 pieces of lasagna noodles. I have some ground chuck, 80% lean and 20% fat. And you can season it how you want. Tomato and onion, and also the garden combination, which is some leftovers that I had. Mozzarella cheese, Mexican cheddar jack style. So this is like 3 cheeses in one. And Italian 5 cheese. I like my food to be flavorful, so we will be using these things. Minced onion, parsley for garnish, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder. I don't know how this tastes. Oregano. Look, all I know is it's used in Italian dishes, okay? Black pepper. The water boiling. Wish me luck. With salt, and I'll put a little bit of oil so the noodles won't stick together. Only take 6 minutes. So because the water is hot, the noodles will fall in on its own. Adding a cap full of vegetable oil. I don't have any olive oil, so this will do. A few moments later. So all I'm doing is running cold water over it so it'll stop cooking. They are al dente. Not all the way done because you'll have to cook a little bit more in the oven and you don't want soggy noodles. So that's why I am stopping the cooking process by running cold water over it. Now we can get the sauce started. You will need some onions and some green peppers and dice them up into small cubes. I am no way by any means a professional. I just like food and I like to eat good. No measurements required. You can season to taste. You don't have to use the whole pack, only like 25% of the pack. And then mix it all in. Man, y'all saw that handwork? That's how you know it's gonna be good. Don't play with me. After I season the meat a little bit more, cook it down and make sure it's fully cooked. I drained it and then I put it back in a pot to cook it with the sauce. Cook it with the sauce. You want to make sure you take all the grease out. So use a strainer and it'll help you get that fat out. Keep it easy. When I tell you it smells so good in here, it smells good. Look at that. It just looks so yummy. I can just eat it like that. By the way, I did. Now it's time to add the tomato, onion, and garlic sauce. You can add that into the meat to make it yummy. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it too dry. So you have to balance out the meat with the sauce. That's the trick. After you add all of the ingredients, you want to let the meat cook down for about 20 minutes with the lid. So I add oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, ooh, and a secret ingredient. Shh, don't tell nobody. I added a pinch of sugar. The sauce looks so delicious. And our cheese. So here we go. Let's get to the fun part. Now it's time to layer. Make sure that your noodles are kind of overlapping so that when it bakes, it's not going through, it is holding together. So this is how my layers will go. Sauce, cheese, I added a few pepperonis, then more cheese. Sauce, cheese, few pepperonis, more cheese. Sauce, cheese, few pepperonis, more cheese. Sauce, cheese, few pepperonis, more cheese. That's probably not the exact order, but you get the drift. You can layer how you want to layer it. This is an easy recipe. I do not use, ricotta. I use only sauce, cheese, and I added a few pepperonis because I had some leftovers. But it's that easy. Y'all, this was my first time making it. I was nervous, but when I tell you, These pepperonis is what topped it off. It was so good. So just keep watching and you will see the layers. And then try this at home and let me know how it goes. Oh, I completely forgot. When you are about to bake it, make sure you put a cooking sheet under it, just so you won't have to clean up that mess, and you can lift up the foil so that the cheese and stuff don't go over, and put a foil paper on top. That way you won't have a lot of mess to clean up afterwards. After the masterpiece, put it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Like your cheese brown on the top, I put it on broil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just took it out the oven. Looks so good. Look at all that cheesy goodness. Cheesy goodness. Sorry guys, there was no picture after. I tore it up. It was good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.